Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've done one of these videos because I've been locked away working hard on new updates for the platform. Here's some stats for you all from this year. This year so far alone, we have added 282 updates to the platform. That's 1.1 per day for every working day of the entire year. And that covers updates, improvements, fixes, tweaks, and new features that we've added to the platform. We've also added 48 major new features released into the platform. That's an average of one every single week of the year so far. These include major entire areas that often have many sub-features, like, for example, our physical products area, that's counted as one in this number. And obviously, it's actually a whole host of new functionality in reality. We've responded to 21,425 tickets, and probably more at the time of me actually recording this, so far this year as a team. And that's an average of 91 or more every single working day of the year. And we have a satisfaction rating of 98% or more, and our average response time is less than half what the industry average is in our sector. And as any of you guys who have spoken to our guys in the customer care area of our company will know, we always look after our customers and do everything we can to go the extra mile and help you guys as much as we can with anything relating to ThriveCart. We've put in over 3,000 development hours. We've poured that into this platform, and that represents late nights, weekends, long days, blood, sweat, tears, and many areas and new functionality that have been added or is being added soon. Sometimes it's in areas you guys are never going to see, that safeguards the platform for years to come or keeps it as the best platform in the industry and keeps it secure for you guys. Us working hard day and night means you don't have to worry about not only your investment in the platform, but your business that is effectively run on the platform for all of the sales that you make. And we understand that, which is why we put so much time into the platform day in and day out. Also, these are very important statistics. Look, we've had 0 launches for any other new products or platforms. We do not launch and move on to something new. The entire team is fully focused on ThriveCart full-time for you guys, its users. We're committed to ThriveCart. And it's worth mentioning, there's been $0 charged in recurring fees, charges, percentages, or any other costs to you guys. We work more than full-time, providing an average of an update every day, major new features every week, 91 plus in-depth replies from our dedicated customer care team every single day, and we charge you guys nothing ongoing while we take the platform from strength to strength. So not only do we provide a huge range of new functionality, a high level of customer care, we also give absolutely the best value in the industry when it comes to what you invest in the platform. And just because you only paid once because you have such a special deal at the moment for ThriveCart does not mean we are a one-time, limited time, lifetime deal where we launch a product, we move on and do something else. We are a professional company that work full-time on evolving this platform and working on it with care, attention, and love to make sure it's the best platform in the industry. And you know what? We're not stopping there. We're not even close. This mentions nothing about all the updates we've got coming that we've already put a huge amount of development hours into. We've been working very hard as usual on new functionality, and we've got new cart designs, cart customization, dunning, funnel updates, and much more coming really soon. And I'm really excited about it, and I know my team is as well. Some of the functionality that you can see in front of you right now has been discussed before, but software development is fluid and we sometimes prioritize other functionality that the community needs, or to safeguard you guys, or improve the entire platform, or ensure it's secure and make it more effective for you. This doesn't mean we're not working on that functionality because you haven't seen it yet. It just means we have a lot coming in quick succession, and we work on a lot and roll out a lot every single day and every single week and every single month. Here's the thing. As Steve Jobs once said, we simply don't ship crap. I'm not interested in rolling out half-baked, limited, but seemingly good functionality to cause a stir and hype the product up. At the end of the day, that might be a quicker and easier way for us to make money and make sales. But I'm interested in making true strides and improving the functionality on our platform and improving software in the industry every time we do something for the platform. We do it the right way. That's why we do things properly. Many other platforms out there, and maybe most of them, have hidden limitations, poor implementation, issues and drawbacks that they hide from their user base and don't discuss with you guys, the users, but they do hype them fully to try and make sales. We don't do that. We work hard on functionality, considering everything, leaving no stone unturned to make it the best functionality and the most robust it can be for you guys, and so we can continue to evolve it for years to come. So, what's coming next? Well, you can see in front of you, over the next few months, we've got some key areas of the platform being rolled out that we've discussed with the group before. First of all, we have a JV contracts area being added to the platform, and as with everything, this doesn't just add the bare functionality, but it gives you the very robust functionality that helps you create, issue, and manage your JV and partner contracts, including advanced rules that can be applied to contracts based on specific criteria. This is really awesome functionality. I can't wait to show it to you, and it'll be rolling out next week into the platform. Then, straight after that, we're finishing work on the significant dunning functionality that we're adding to the platform to help you properly manage and track all your recurring revenue without needing to pay for any other services. And we've got some exciting new cart templates we're working on that are absolutely beautiful that you're going to love, and the entire cart customization functionality rolling out that, again, we're really excited about, as well as some major updates to the way funnels work that really will take everything to the next level. And we're extremely excited about all of that, and we've been working hard on all of that functionality, and we're excited to bring it to you soon. And all of this, it's all happening over the next few months, and we have a busy rest of the year ahead. We're proud and excited about what we've built with ThriveCart and how we continue to evolve the platform every day, week, month, and year, and how we look after its users, our customers, you guys. With so many platforms out there that launch and then focus on marketing and hype before they move on to the next product, we're proud of the hundreds of thousands of dollars we've invested into the platform, of the thousands of hours of development we've invested into the platform, and all the effort we put into continuing to push ThriveCart forward from strength to strength and keep it as the best cart platform by far in the industry. As always, you can send any questions to our customer care team at support@thrivecart.com, and keep an eye in the group for more announcements starting with next week's updates. Thank you guys for using ThriveCart.